Yes, yes, indeed. Once again, it's your boy, Papagato Got Kicks, here with another unboxing and review. Now, it's a little different. We're outside. It's snowing a little bit. I was out here shoveling, getting my driveway clean out here with my son. The good man from FedEx rolled up and put a smile on my face with this lovely box here. For these beautiful girls yesterday, actually I hit twice for them. So I got another pair coming in. This is a pair that people have been going crazy for this season. I don't know, they're saying sneakers are dead. Looks to me like sneakers are back because this has already shot up about $100 in value, which, you know, I'm not about the value, I'm more about the kicks. But if I can double up and make $1 or two, shit, I'm with it. Hit for them again yesterday. Shout out to Foot Locker because less than 24 hours, boom, they're pulling in my driveway with these. Now, if you see that color right there, you should know what this is. Jordan 11 Gammas. Every Christmas since, I don't know, 2013 or something like that, Jordan Brand has been dropping a pair of 11s for the Christmas season. This year's no different. Oh man, I've never had these before. Never actually had them in hand. These are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Jordan 11 Gammas. Got the beautiful patent leather, the blue bottoms with the turquoise Jumpman. Now, from what I understand, this Jumpman is different from the one, from the OG one where it was pointing the other way. Guess what? I don't give a shit. Don't care. These are fly all the way. Got the maize colored up, aka gold colored 23 in the back. Carbon fiber shank right there. Man, I could not wait to open these. Look, I'm still in my coat. I should be inside, you know, with a warm toasty beverage, but here I am with you, showing you these bad girls. Anyway, it is getting nipply out here, so I'm gonna cut this one short. But Jordan 11 Gammas, Christmas season. Try to get yours. I mean, right now, you ain't getting them for retail. I'll tell you right now. I was lucky enough, like I said, to double up. So I have another pair coming in. But yeah, it's your boy, Papagato Got Kicks. Like, subscribe, share, tell a friend. Peace.